Hand sanding blocks from Festool. The extractable hand sanding block is perfect for sanding tight corners or hard-to-reach areas on filler surfaces. With its bypass adjustment, the suction power can be easily optimized. And because the burr layer has rounded corners, you don't have to worry about damaging the surface you're working on. The ergonomic handle ensures that your hands won't get blistered, and with its integrated adapter, it can be used with Festool extractor hoses. Ultrasonic leak detector by Equalizer. Older methods for detecting windshield leaks, such as using water and waiting for it to seep through, can be both time-consuming and unreliable. With our ultrasonic leak detector, you can save time and ensure accuracy. Simply place the transmitter inside the vehicle, use the receiver to scan the suspected area, and locate the leak. These detectors work by emitting sound waves that are not audible to the human ear. Put on the headphones, turn on the receiver, and listen for the sound waves coming through the opening. These waves cannot penetrate through glass, rubber, or metal, so you'll need to listen for the receiver tone to get louder and softer to pinpoint the leak. Additionally, you'll be able to see the green light turn red when a leak is detected. Festool MW1000. The Festool MW1000 is the perfect solution for your on-the-go workshop needs. This customizable unit can be easily transported, set up, and taken down in no time on any job site. With just a few simple steps, the compact and clever design transforms into a stable workstation with ample space to access and utilize your tools, just like in your own workshop. The MW1000 combines worktops and storage, while also being customized to your specific needs. You can save time by transporting your tools and worktop in a single unit, and its compact dimensions make setup and breakdown a breeze. The stable worktop is made up of a perforated top and an aluminum profile, offering flexible clamping and attachment options. The large, rubber-lined, shock-resistant wheels also make it easy to transport up and down steps, making it convenient for any job site. Fortune Woodworking Dowel Making Machine. The dowel and rod maker is a convenient tool that makes finding dowels or rods made of exotic woods a thing of the past. You can saw any type of wood into strips and feed them through the machine manually, making the process fast and accurate. The machine can handle limitless lengths of wood, and it comes with one cutter head for 3/8" diameters. Standard-sized cutters of 1/4, 5/16, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4 inches are available for purchase separately. The blades are adjustable, which allows you to produce rods and dowels to your exact dimensions with ease. Automatic water dosing device from AQiX. AQiX is a precise water dosing instrument for professional mixing on construction sites. It is easy to use. Simply connect it to a hose, select the desired quantity of water, hang it on a bucket, and press play. AQiX automatically turns off when it is finished, eliminating the need to haul buckets or measure water by hand. The portable design is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and is powered by 2 AA batteries, allowing you to take it anywhere. Mixing has never been faster, easier, or cleaner than with AQiX. It provides the precise water dosing that modern materials require for structural integrity. Batavia Safety Hammer MAXXSAFE. The Batavia Safety Hammer is an essential tool for the safety of your car. Every year, thousands of cars end up in the water, and the risk of being killed in a car accident or drowning in a submerged vehicle is a real threat. Factors such as weather conditions, broken or missing guardrails, and inattention can cause people to drown in their cars. In the event that you find yourself trapped in a submerged car, a standard safety hammer may not be effective due to misuse, panic, untraceability, or lack of impact force to break a window due to high water resistance. The Batavia Safety Hammer is designed to overcome these challenges and increase the chances of survival in such situations. Rubi 10 Brick Tile Nipper with Breaker. The Rubi 10 Brick manual tile cutter with nippers and scoring wheel is an excellent choice for creating artistic mosaics and cutting wall tiles with a thickness of up to 25/64 inches. Equipped with a 25/64 inch roller guide made of sintered tungsten carbide that is highly resistant to wear, this cutter offers exceptional quality in scoring ceramic tiles for walls and glazed stoneware. This cutter is especially recommended for cutting wall tiles, and it makes the cutting process easy and precise. Rockler Trim Gauge. This innovative tool makes trim work a breeze. It can be used to mark the lines for 3/16 inch reveals in the corners of window or door frames. Simply hook your tape measure into the slots to get the precise length of the inside edge without the need for calculations. Finally, clamp it to your trim to transfer the measurements. With clear locating lines on the jamb and casings cut to the exact length, you can be sure that the reveals will be consistent on all sides. The integral rare earth magnets hold your tape measure firmly in the slots while measuring. It is made of durable and lightweight polymer, and its compact size makes it easy to fit in your apron pocket. Festool SYS Power Station. The SYS Power Station is a high-performance energy storage solution that provides power where there is none. It allows users to be independent of traditional power sources and provides enough energy to power all mains-powered tools continuously without any loss of performance. It is compact and mobile, saving 1,500 watt-hours of energy, sufficient for most applications for an entire working day. It operates just like a normal 230 volts electrical outlet module. Tweaker. The tweaker is a tool that helps users optimize the focus of a point source system component by providing a visual guide for the high-frequency dispersion of the system. It features a 200 milliwatt laser module and 110-degree crosshair lens that is bright enough to be visible in most environments. The tool has shutters to control the dispersion from the product aperture, allowing for the replication of both symmetric and asymmetric horns. The casing has 5-degree increments between 10 degrees to 55 degrees, allowing for visual representation of horizontal and vertical dispersions between 20 degrees and 110 degrees. The tool is USB-C rechargeable, with a 250 mAh battery providing a maximum of 5 hours of continuous use. It also has a casing D-loop, latching switch, and 11 kilogram pull magnet on the rear of the device to secure it to a speaker grill hands-free. The initial prototype of the device was able to support its own weight on a JBL Control 1 grill, which served as the benchmark for minimum grill thickness. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.